Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. There is no events are complete without having a dessert. So today I'm going to prepare a dessert, a hot dessert, malwa pudding. The ingredients are very simple. It's a apricot jam based hot dessert, hot pudding serving with vanilla ice cream. The best thing in this dessert is the simplicity of the preparation. Mostly the children will definitely like it because it is warm and serving with vanilla ice cream. So let's see the ingredients that we need to prepare this beautiful dessert. I hope you will like it, and if you are watching first time this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will have the latest update in your inbox. Thank you. To prepare this malwa pudding base, you need sugar 125 gram, apricot jam 10 gram, fresh milk 60 ml, white flour 90 gram, baking soda 5 gram, and 2 whole egg, 1 drop of vanilla essence. Add the sugar to the 2 eggs and you beat it very well. Mix very well apricot jam, sugar and 2 eggs very well with the help of a wire whisk. This is the texture you make a nice sabayon. This term is called in culinary sabayon. When you beat the egg and the sugar together to form a nice thick mixture, which is called sabayon. Now we will add fresh milk to this mixture. Mix well and add gradually the flour. Add the baking soda, stir it very well. Now we need to cook this mixture. For that I am using 3 different type of oven proof dish. We will apply some butter into this dish, so once you cook the pudding you can transfer into a serving dish easily. Apply inside the dish all around. Now we will pour the mixture into this serving baking dish. We don't pour all because after cooking it will come up. So always keep till half. It comes almost 2 servings. It's a big portion. You can use any dish. You can use a big ceramic dish for family quantity, or you can use a small dish for 1 or 2 person. Here we are preparing 2 portions, so you see the quantity. Now you have an idea of how to make the base and how to bake it. You bake this one in 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Temperature set 170 degree for 30 minutes. The oven was already pre-baked, so the temperature shows 185, but somehow it will come 170 degree for 30 minute, 30 minute. The pudding is ready. It's already cooked. You can see a nice caramelized color from the top. Now we will remove it and we will start the remaining preparation in order for us to present and serve this malwa pudding. Of knowing this ready, when you stick a bamboo inside and when you remove, you don't see any wetness inside the stick. That means it's ready. This is how technically you will know whether it is cooked, ready or not. Usually in 30 minutes, 170 degrees Celsius, that will be done. But this is a technical idea for you to understand when you cook bulk, whether it is ready or not. We will make the topping sauce for this pudding. For that we have 125 gram of butter, 125 gram of sugar, whipping cream 150 ml and 50 ml of fresh milk. Now we keep a pan on the hot plate. We dilute all these ingredients together. We add the milk, add the cream, add the sugar and add the butter. One drop of vanilla. The pudding that we made, we need to make holes with a bamboo. So once we pour the sauce on the top, the sauce will go inside the pudding and that will give a good taste. The sauce is ready. Now you use a ladle. You just pour the sauce on the top of the hot pudding. 2 ladle is enough. Around 80 ml is more than enough to soak the pudding. So the pudding will have a good wet texture. Now it is ready to serve. We'll use some flour and some berries to present this one. I have the fennel flower, red currant, blueberry, raspberry and basil flower. You arrange this microfruits and flowers on the dish and we will present the malwa pudding and we will serve it with vanilla ice cream.
With the help of a scoop 1
in a dish
scoop of ice cream. Try to scoop it in the shape of a pyramid and arrange it on the top of the warm malwa pudding. And we will use some chocolate sauce to pour it on the top. It's a right combination, vanilla ice cream with the chocolate sauce, and when you crown this ice cream on a freshly made warm malwa pudding, that's the right combination. Your children will definitely like it, and this is how you present it.